Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to sync Google Calendar between two accounts. So in order for you to do this, just simply go ahead and go click plus over here on the other calendars category, and now just simply select subscribe to calendar. Now guys, from here just simply provide your second account, and after that just simply select request access on the pop-up over here, and an email will be sent to that person. And guys, the email will look something like this. As you can see, my first account want to view your calendar, so I'm gonna click on the link over here to accept this request, and after that just simply click on send over here, and after that just simply go to your first account, and you will have email as well from the second account, and you can just simply click on this icon over here, add this calendar, and after that you should be able to add your calendar into your second account over here. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.